everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts. I am showing you my back counter in my craft room right now. And I had all this stuff set out because I have ideas about stuff that I want to make and nothing was clicking or looking right. So I made a trip to Dollar Tree. So I was trying to use up all my stuff that I had, but it just was, I needed some new things. So this video, I'm going to show you what I literally just bought at Dollar Tree. Okay, so this was my first find at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree hasn't had any candle holders like this before, and I thought these were super cute, and there are so many things that you can do with these, but I'm thinking, I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think this might be a Christmas craft. But yeah, these are super cool. I don't even know which way they're supposed to go, if they can go both ways. I don't know, but they're really neat. I mean, just think you could put candle on top, or you could do, like for fall, you could put a pumpkin on top and put some vines around here. I mean, there are so many different possibilities for these. I don't know, I might even have to stop and get some more of these. I am super excited to use these. So the next thing are these little paper craft flowers, which these are pretty cute. A lot of times I'm looking for small flowers for projects and stuff, and it says there's 24 pieces of flowers in here. They did have the white, and then they had the like kind of grayish brown black mix, and they also had a pink, but I don't use a lot of pink, so that one kind of just stayed at the store. But I definitely could see myself using these in some crafts. And even if I made a card or something, which I do make birthday cards and stuff occasionally. So yeah, I think these are a pretty good buy. I can't wait to use these. The next thing are these craft dice. Now I've seen people on YouTube channels use these before, and they always looked way bigger. These seem kind of small to me, but I don't know. I saw them and I'm like, you know what? I can definitely use these for something. So I was excited to see them, and I don't know, we'll see what I can make with them. I'm hoping something pretty cool. So I am a huge fan of succulents. I do have succulents myself. I've had them for probably a little bit over a year and like 2 months or something. But maybe it's 2 years, I can't remember. But anyways, I want to make, there's a project that I want to make with some succulents, and it's going to be something for my camper up north. And I have a plan that I was going to use some succulents. I did want kind of ones, like the ones with the green, you know, that kind of stick up, but I must have gotten to the store way too late because this is literally all they had. They didn't have the bigger ones. So I'm hoping that I can incorporate these and use these in my idea. What I make is going to be sitting under a covered porch, but rain does kind of get in and there's bugs and stuff, so I am gonna try to make it so that it's like waterproof so it doesn't get all yucky. So that's what I plan on using these for. The next thing are these candle holders, which I have used these in the past. I know at least on one project. I think it was a black one, or no, I have a black one, but I think I've used one already before. I think it was maybe a stand that I made, but I saw these and there's always a way to use these. So they're pretty easy to work with, you know. They're nice and heavy, and they've got like a really, you know, like bigger top instead of the skinnier ones. So yeah, I could definitely see maybe some candles on top of there, and then, you know, like for Christmas, maybe some, you know, pine or something going around there. But yeah, I'm excited to see what I'm going to make with these. Okay, the next thing is these little jars. Not 100% sure what I'm going to use these for, but I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree before, so I was excited to see them. But these definitely, I'm thinking, would be like maybe an outdoor table type thing for summer, maybe with the succulents. I don't know, I guess I'd have to see how those would fit in here. But yeah, I'm definitely excited for these. I think these are super cute, and they'd be cute sitting on a table. So yeah, we'll see what I do with those. So there's this project that I'm wanting to make, which I really want to get done, but I've been looking for some clear glue Dollar Tree has not had any clear glue, and I am not a big fan of shopping, so you won't see me going to Walmart to pick stuff up. I usually do like a pickup, and usually when I go, I forget that I need the glue, so that project is still sitting there. But when I was at Dollar Tree yesterday, I saw this, the epoxy stuff, and I've never used it before because it kind of scares me because you're supposed to, you know, cover your mouth and your hands and all that stuff. So I'm not 100% sure about this, but I am gonna give it a try. Like I said, I do have a project in mind for it. So I don't know. I'm gonna do a little research on this before I use it though, and make sure I am using it correctly and safely. Okay, so these don't really fit on here, but these pool noodles. So that floral foam that you can get at Dollar Tree to put your flowers in and stuff is a little pricey compared to what you can do with a pool noodle. So when they have them, and especially they have this green color, so I went ahead and I bought 2 of them because my pool noodles were almost gone. But these I used, you know, to put into pots and stuff so I can stick my flowers in instead of buying the, you know, the white foam or whatever. I did think about my grandkids are coming up north and they're gonna want to go swimming, but I don't know that I want to have them take a pool noodle on the lake. So I am going to be using these for crafting. So I'm going to go ahead and throw those in my craft closet and show you what I got next. Okay. So now this is a first for me, some crushed glass. I have never bought crushed glass before. It actually kind of scares me a little bit to use it. I'm afraid I'm going to get little glass chunks in my hands, but I have a feeling this is probably going to get used with those succulents that I bought. But yeah, I think this is really cool. So yeah, first time buying crushed glass, so I guess we'll see how it goes. But okay, so I forgot to mention, I think I have that in the video title. I'm not sure. Well, I haven't done the video yet, so I don't know if it's going to be in the video title. But I spent $40.88 on all this stuff. So just to give you an idea of what you can all get for, you know, $40, $41 at Dollar Tree. So I got these from Dollar Tree, which I think they're so stinking cute. And I really can't wait to make these for like the Halloween fall season. I'm almost thinking maybe on top of one of those candle holders that I got. And I don't know, something, maybe some kind of orange paper or fabric or something on the inside. And then maybe like a tea light. I don't know. We'll see how that turns out. But yeah, I'm really excited to use these. These are so cute. The next thing is some Dollar Tree tea lights. Now I have actually, excuse me, I have never bought these before. So I'm hoping they work good. Thinking about in, you know, like maybe the pumpkins that I just showed you or the other jar that I just showed you to set out. But yeah, I'll give them a try. Like I said, I've had tea lights before. I just never bought them from Dollar Tree. So I'll see how well they are. And then, you know what, I'm just going to go right to the next thing. The next thing is this gingham ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I did have some a while back and I ran out, but this is definitely handy to have around, especially for me around Christmas time and fall. I ran out of what I had. They only had one though. I was so disappointed in that, but I had to get the one since it was there. Okay. How cute is this sign? This is so cute. I am thinking, I don't even know if I want to change it because it is just so cute. I don't know, other than maybe painting it a different color and maybe putting like a backing on it and maybe like some better beads or something. But I'm definitely thinking this would be like really great at my camper. So yeah, I was super excited when I saw this. You know, it'd even be kind of cool to just take this off and use the frame. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. I've never seen a sign like this before at Dollar Tree, so I'm super excited to use this one. Okay, here is another one. I've seen a lot of signs. I've used a lot of these, you know, peel stickers from Dollar Tree, but this one I'm thinking would really be great at my camper. Because now that we just recently last year bought a bigger camper, so now we can have more people up to share in our fun with us. So yeah, I'm thinking this is going to be on my camper somewhere, or camper area, or inside my camper. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Then the next thing are these leaves that I got from Dollar Tree. These leaves, you can use them in pretty much anything fall. I mean, you could just stick them in a vase like this with maybe a couple flowers and they'd be super cute. But I was really excited to see the lighter colored ones and these. I've gotten like the blue ones in the past and the purple, and I'm not really a big fan of like the dark orange. So these are really pretty together. So I don't know, maybe I'll see if I could do a project with even just these leaves and something. We are starting to get closer to the end. I got this welcome sign because you can always use bigger signs, you know, to make crafts and stuff. This would even be a good, you know, for that sticker that I just showed you. The only thing is with these Dollar Tree signs, look at how bowed that is. So I am gonna find something that I can place on top of this so that I can keep it like down so it kind of straightens out. But yeah, I'll definitely be using this one in the future. I like totally love this sign. It is so cute with the beads on the end. I'm thinking like in my like crafting career, I've been doing crafts, you know, since I was in my 20s, and well, I took a long break when I had my kids. But now, like for the last 4.5 years on YouTube that I've been doing videos, it's like, why did I never think of something like this? Because I think that is so adorable with the beads on the end. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but it definitely has some possibilities. It's like, I don't know though how well that Enjoy is going to come off, or maybe I just paint it. Maybe that'll look nice. Or maybe just try to put, you know, like some tissue paper or something over there, over the Enjoy. I don't know. I just thought this was really cute. That is such a cool idea with the beads on the end. I know I said that 50 times. Okay, so this is totally not craft related. I mean, you could probably do something crafty, you know, with this to like display outside or something. But I bought these not for my grandkids. They're going to be coming up to the camper with us this weekend, and it's always a good idea to have tons of toys for them to play with. So I don't know, I bought these. I don't know how good these birdies, they call them birdies. I think we always call them shuttlecocks. But anyways, I don't know how good these are. They don't look the best. The rackets look okay though. And I think, you know, for the purpose of them just hitting it back and forth to each other, or me hitting it back and forth to them, I think it'll be fun. So that was actually it. That is all I got on that trip. I did want to show you these. These are new to my store, these wooden doubles. These are actually pretty big. I don't know. They've actually been sitting on my craft table, I don't know, for probably a couple months, because that's about the last time that I went to Dollar Tree. But I do have kind of an idea of something that I can make with these wooden doubles. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to have to, you know, do what I normally do. Let everything sit out and then just sit there and stare at it going, what am I going to make? But yeah, I just thought these were really cool. Nice and thick wood doubles. You can definitely do a lot with those. So anyways, that is it. That is everything that I got for just under $41. I'm thinking I'm good. I have a lot of crafting to do, so I should probably get going. But I just want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Little different from my normal content, always just making something. I would love it if you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I upload a video. And take care and have a great night. Bye.